Hi guys! Happy Friday! Good Friday today is the... Oops! It's 12 o'clock here. Medyo late na tayo nag-vlog. Si Mr. busy sa garden and me, I'm feeding James at the moment. Pakainin ko siya ng lunch. He's got his shake. And ulam niya is ginisang kalabasa. Galing ako nagluto ng biko. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And then we're gonna have a Barbie. Mag-barbecue kami. Tignan natin yung aking aling maliit. Tumutulong na naman sa daddy niyang naka-garden. Habang ako busy pag-prepare ng Barbie. What Baba doing? Hey? Are you digging? Yeah? Are you digging? Yeah, digging. Hey? Wow! Be careful. You digging? Hey? Yeah. Wow, well done. Sus. Well done. Ayan yung ating pa-Barbie. Meron kong steak, tapos sausages, and then mayroon akong pork. Ano to eh, pork chop, 3. And then mag-ano ako ng fish ko para sa akin. Tapos yung aking biko. That's only for me and James and my hubby. So ayan, mag-prepare na tayo ng ating Barbie. Dalhin na natin siya doon sa garden. Ay, ito pala yung aking ano, Easter chocolate egg for James. Nakabili ako ng basket. Kanina, ginawa ko to oh. Kasi, akala ko hindi ako makabili. Pero, nakakuha ako ng isa. Dito malapit sa ano, paglabas lang ng bahay namin. So, ayun. Which is better naman kasi marami siyang chocolate na ihahan. Ayan yung iba namin. Mayroon akong fish. It's a mackerel. Tapos, ayan, salad, bread, and then burger. Andyan yung ating grill. So, I think mag-start na ako kasi it's 1 o'clock na. So, start na tayo. Ayan, umpisa na tayo. Inuna ko muna yung sausage at burger. Ihuli ko yung steak at saka fish. Oo, nakapagbihis na pala si Mister. Si James, oh, busy. Ayan. Yummers. Last batch na yung ano nilagay ko. Ito na siya. Yan, last na. Meron akong isang fish lang nilagay ko kasi I think it's too much. Yung steak na lang at saka yung pork. Yung iba, ayan, luto na. And we're ready to eat soon. We're very hungry na. Nakakagutom. Anong oras na? Look, it's 1:45 na. So, kain na kami. Ayan, tapos na tayo guys. Kain na kami. Ayan, tapos na. Kuha sila ng plato. Mamaya, gamitin ko rin yung grill kasi dyan ko i-grill yung pork belly. Gagawa ako ng dinakdakan para for tomorrow na ulam ko. Dinakdakan is life. Na-miss ko yung dinakdakan. Patayin ko na yung grill. Tapos kain na tayo. Hi guys! Happy Easter Sunday! So, ngayon ipatuloy natin yung ating vlog which is last Friday I think. Yes. So, ngayon mag-hunting kami. Ikakalat namin to sa garden and then James gonna hunt it. And he's got something to do. Ayun. Dala-dala niya yung basket. Look at him, Daddy! Look at him! Wow! Dala-dala na niya. Wala pang, hoy, wala pang chocolate dong, oy! Wala pang chocolate dong! Nothing in there. Come on, come here.
Come on out.
Come on. Come on, Mommy's gonna spread the chocolate and you're gonna hunt it, okay? Get the basket.
Get your basket.
Get your basket.
Come on.
Shush, ang mukha.
Oh, what a face.
And there. Oh, pick it. Yay. Wow. There, more. There. Yay. More. Yay. Good boy. There. Wow, another one, Mommy. There. Hiding. There, look. Oh, nearly. There, look. Ooh, wow. Daddy, you nearly step it. There. Yeah. One. Wow. And more there, more. Wow. Here. Wow. Yeah. There, more, look. Here. Here. Wow. Wow. Well done. Yay. Wow. More. Bless him. Yay. Oh, you got lots of chocolate now? Wow. Yay, more. Wow. 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 What's the other? Wow. I think this there, look. Yeah. Is that there? Look. Yeah. Well done. Where's the other? There's more down there. Yeah. Well done. More there. More.
Oh, what's that?
What's that? There. There, Nat. There, look. There's one there. Look. There. There, look. Yay, another one here. Look. Look. Here in your car. Look. Wow. Yay! Is it all gone? Wow! Wow! Yeah, you can eat them now. Yay! You got lots of chocolate. Yeah, you can eat them now. Come on, sit down. Sit. You can eat him. Yeah. Yeah. Yay. Sit. Yeah, sit. Yeah, sit. You can eat them now, chocolate. Yeah. Look, you open it. It's nearly melting now. Wow. Wow, chocolate, Mommy. Wow. Look at his face. What a chocolate boy. Daniel, look at the monkey hands. Bless him. Yum, yum. Still got more, but you're not gonna eat it one go. Oh Lord, that's a big full mouth. Whoa!
Whatever.
Tanghalian na. Nagsugba ako ng bangus na nilagyan ko ng sibuyas, kamatis, yung ano niya, yung chan. Ito siya, people. Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Parisa na itong tubaon niya ni. Tuba. Malaki siya na bangus, pero ako lang kakain at saka si James. Ayun yung maliit ito. Ang kulit. Hala, lobat na yung aking camera. Lobat na. Bye-bye na sa inyo. Nag-live din ako sa Facebook. Kayo makita. Lobat na yung aking camera. Ayan, luto na. Kain na tayo. Luto na siya. Binatay ko na yung grill. Yummer. Let's dig in. Hi guys! 5 o'clock na ng hapon. So, magdidilig na kami ng halaman. At turuan ko si James kasi gusto niya rin tumulong pag nagdilig tayong halaman. Ito yung aking call boy, oh. Nakasalamin pa. Say hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hiya! Tsa, nakasalamin pa, oh. So, ayan, magdidilig na kami ng halaman. Kasi gusto niyang tumulong lagi. Come on. That's it for today, guys. And I think medyo mahaba-haba nating vlog kasi it was last Friday and today. So, I think that's enough for one upload kasi wala namang masyadong ganap. And, yes, thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Keep safe, everyone. And please stay at home. Bye. Mwah.